Most personality assessments are designed to measure a specific part of how people work. And one of the biggest mistakes organizations make is expecting a single system to explain everything about a person. But people are more complex than that. Different personality frameworks tend to measure different dimensions of personality, behavior, and motivation. That's why at Talent Insights, we combine multiple systems together instead of relying on just one. Because when used responsibly, multiple perspectives often create a much more useful understanding than any single framework alone. One of the simplest ways to think about this is Holland Code helps explain the type of work you enjoy. DISC helps explain your behavioral style. And 16 Personalities helps provide insight into how you think and make decisions. Each system is answering a different question, and together, those answers begin to create a more complete picture of personality. For example, two people may appear very similar during an interview. Both may communicate confidently, both may appear intelligent and capable, but deeper assessment data may reveal very different underlying patterns. One person may enjoy highly competitive and fast-paced environments. Another may be more motivated by collaboration, structure, or helping people. One may think very strategically and future-oriented. Another may focus more heavily on details, stability, and process. Neither profile is automatically better, but they may thrive in very different roles and workplace environments. This is one of the reasons combining assessments can be so valuable. Instead of viewing personality through a single lens, multiple systems help reveal the broader shape of how someone works. And this becomes even more useful at the team level. When multiple employees complete assessments, patterns often begin to emerge. You can start to see the broader shape of a team's culture. Some teams may naturally become highly fast-paced and competitive. Others may become highly analytical and detailed-oriented. Some teams may prioritize collaboration and relationships. Others may strongly value structure, consistency, and process. None of these cultures are inherently right or wrong, but understanding those patterns can help leaders make more informed decisions about hiring, communication, leadership, and team structure. Of course, personality assessments should never replace interviews, experience evaluation, or leadership judgment. No assessment can perfectly predict performance or future success. Instead, assessments work best as decision support tools. They help provide additional context that may not be obvious from a resume or interview alone. At Talent Insights, we combine DISC, Holland Code, and 16 Personalities because we believe each system contributes a different perspective. Together, they help create a more practical and complete understanding of how people work, communicate, and think. And those insights can help organizations make more informed decisions about both hiring and management. If you'd like to learn more, you can explore the full personality series and additional workplace assessment resources at talentinsights.com.